Hello everyone, this is Dr. Himanshu Gia, currently Community Medicine Resident at BJMC Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad. I passed my 12th from BVM Uddham Singh Nagar in 2014. So, I was invited to speak a little bit about World No Tobacco Day, which is used to be celebrated on 31st May. This year, World Health Organization has given the theme of Tobacco, a Threat to Environment. Leave apart that theme, but why this anti-tobacco day is important for you? Let me tell you a dark secret. Tobacco industry every year kills around 8 billion people. So if they want to grow, they want to earn money, they need new customers. That is why they are focusing more and more on the adolescent, the age which is the most crucial part of your life. That is why they sponsor a lot of movies which makes you think like smoking and tobacco is cool, whether it's Kabir Singh, Shahid Kapoor or Shah Rukh Khan and Don 2. Actually, it's not cool. Trust me, it is very, very stupid. Because you are paying just to kill your own self. You just want to be high, but actually your mind is going very low. This tobacco, this caffeine, these all things are so much addictive that you get that high every time with more and more dosage and you're completely dependent on it for your whole life. Let me tell you one thing. You are an educated person. You are someone who can bring a change. I have seen many cases where children bring their parents to the de-addiction center to some kind of treatment, like whether it's TB or some chronic diseases. The new generation is more and more informative, more and more educated. So I believe you can get a change, and don't go after all these cool stuffs. Leave apart them, focus on your future. And one more thing, if someone is struggling with tobacco or any kind of addiction, they can contact me, get the contact from the school department. They can go to DMC Ludhiana, which is nearby our school. Their psychiatry department is working very well. And one thing more, that conditioning is our basic thing. Our brain can be conditioned in any way. So the most simple thing that you can get rid of this tobacco or smoking is, I'll tell you one secret. Just make yourself think that whenever I get some smoke, I'll start coughing. Whenever, like even if your best friend is smoking in front of you, start coughing like I can't bear this. And trust me, within next 1 to 2 weeks, you will just leave apart all those things, and the people around you will also get something that it's actually hurting him, and they can think of leaving that also. Here I am closing just with a request. If at least one more person you can teach, you can educate, and you can bring a change, it will be a great for me. Thank you.